Hello friends, welcome our channel MCQ Center. Friends, today I am going to start the rest part of the 2007 previous year question paper for the exam of Delhi APP, CBI APP and CBI PP exam 2021. Friends, as you know that objective question play big role in objective type examination. So friends, it is time to solve more and more objective question. Friends, if you are not subscribed my channel till now, then subscribe it and like and share also. Friends, continue. Friends, 52 question. Which in any of the following does not fall under the definition of public servant as per the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988? Friends, in this question, correct answer is C, Chief Secretary to Government. Next question, which is the provision of CRPC which allow a witness being examined by a police officer not to answer question, answer to which would have a tendency to expose him to criminal charge? Correct answer is friends C, section 161. Next question, A instigates B to murder Z. The offense is not committed. What punishment, if any, is A liable for? Correct answer is C, imprisonment for a term which may extend to 7 years. Which of the following accused would you link to offense under section 256 to 260 IPC? Correct answer is B, Telgi. Next question friends, the legal metrology department mainly deal with the offense in. Correct answer is C, chapter 13 of the IPC. Section of 124 IPC deals with the offense of assaulting government of state. Next question friends, question number 58. Which of the following cities is not deemed to be fit to be declared as a metropolitan area by the CRPC itself? Correct answer is B, Delhi. Which among the following is not designated as a grievous hurt? Correct answer is C, any hurt which causes the sufferer to be a severe bodily pain for 15 days. Friends, section 319 of IPC 20 days, but here 15 days inserted, but real days is 20 days. What is the maximum punishment which can be imposed on conviction for any of the offence under the AP Town Nuisance Act 1989? Correct answer is A, rupees 50 fine and 1 month RI. Who among the following is not designated as a grievous hurt? 61 question. Correct answer is A, police officer. Cattle under AP Forest Act 1967 included. Correct answer is D, all of the above. Friends, in this exam means CBI APP, Delhi APP and CBI PP. Forest Act is not in the syllabus, so friends you can cross it. Foreman has been given certain responsibility under. Friends, there friends, this question is not relevant for this exam. So friends, next question: which of the following agency is not exempted from Right to Information Act 2005 under section 24 of the Act? Correct answer is B. Supreme Court. If a person is convicted a second time under section 3 or 4 of the Indecent Representation of Women Prohibition Act 1986, the maximum punishment he can be awarded is. Question number 65. Answer is A. 5-year imprisonment and fine of rupees 1 lakh. Next question. The concept of plea bargaining was introduced in the criminal administration of justice in India through. Correct answer is D. Criminal Law Amendment Act 2005. The definition of child under the Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986 is. Correct answer is C. A person who has not completed 14 years of age. Question number 68. Any person aggrieved by an order passed by any officer there than the commissioner or district collector under AP Excise Act 1968 may appeal to the deputy commissioner. Friends, this act is not in syllabus, so you can cross it. Next question: which of the following is not a requisite of promissory note? Friends, correct answer is D. The attestation of witnesses. The Andhra Pradesh Pawnbroker Act was passed in the year. Friends, this act is not in the syllabus, so you can cross it. You would associate Mathura case with the offence relating to. Correct answer is C. This case is related to rape. Which of these offences are compoundable without the permission of the court? Correct answer is D. Section 407. Next question: which of these offences are compoundable without the permission of the court? Correct answer is B. Section 335 of IPC. Who can make a reference to the High Court under Section 395 of CRPC? Correct answer is D. Any court subordinate to that High Court. Next question: warrant case means. Correct answer is C. All cases relating to an offence punishable with death or imprisonment for a term exceeding 2 years. You would associate the word service provider with which act? Correct answer is A. The Information Technology Act 2000. Next question: what, if any, role does the state legislature have in an exercise to form a new state by separation of territory from that state? Correct answer is B. Its views have to be sought before introducing a bill in Parliament. Next question: whoever threatens any person with any injury to his person, reputation, or property with intent to cause that person to give false evidence, commit an offence under section. Correct answer is C 195A of IPC. The Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 basically intend to ensure that the rights acquired due to Article Article 17 Article 17 of the Constitution of the respected and enjoy, respected and enjoyed, which of these laws do not have a provision for enhanced punishment for subsequent conviction under some of the provision in that law. Correct answer is A. AP Gaming Act 1974. Any offence committed under the SC and ST Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989 shall be investigated only by correct answer is B. A police officer not below the rank of Deputy Superintendent of Police. Which of the following statement is not true in relation to the Right to Information Act? Friends, this act is not in syllabus, so you can cross it. Next question: what are the qualifications required for being appointed as presiding officer of a cyber appellate tribunal under the Information Technology Act? Correct answer is B. Each or has been or is qualified to be a judge of a high court. Next question: which is the agency which as per the act has a vital role to play in the operation of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005? Correct answer is C. Protection officers. But friends, it is not our syllabus. Under those circumstances, can the government pass an ad interim order attaching the money or other property of a financial establishment or the promoter under section 3R of AP Protection of Depositor of Financial Establishment Act 1909? Correct answer is D. Correct answer is all of the above. But friends, it is not our syllabus. X, while doing a lawful act with proper care and caution, accidentally causes the death of A. What is the provision of IPC under which X can seek protection? Correct answer is B. Section 80, where an accused facing trial in a session case does not have sufficient means to engage a pleader to defend himself. Under what provision of the CRPC does the court assign a pleader to defend him? Correct answer is B. Section 304 of CRPC, which is the case in which the Supreme Court of India has laid down exhaustive instruction and guidelines relating to the process and procedure of arrest. Correct answer is C. D.K. Basu cases, which is the provision of CRPC which bars appeal by the convicted person in certain petty cases. Correct answer is C. Section 376. The period of limitation under section 468 CRPC for taking cognizance of an offence punishable with a term exceeding 1 year but not exceeding 3 years age. Correct answer is C. 3 years. A person who intentionally gives false evidence in any stage of a judicial proceeding or fabricates false evidence for the purpose of being used in any stage of a judicial proceeding shall be punished with imprisonment which may extend to. Correct answer is C. 3 years. When can a court not permit leading question? Correct answer is B. When the question pertains to matter which are undisputed. A foreigner commits and acts on board an Indian ship on the high sea which amounts to an offence under the IPC but does not constitute an offence in his own country. Correct answer is B. He can be tried in India for an offence under the IPC. The doctrine of estoppel apply to the doctrine of estoppel apply to civil proceeding only. Next question: in which year was the Andhra Pradesh Gambling Act enacted? Correct answer is C. 1974. But friends, it is not our syllabus, so you can cross it. What is the minimum punishment for demanding of dowry under Dowry Prohibition Act 1961? Correct answer is D. 6 months. Who shall be appointed as a justice of the peace under the Andhra Area District Police Act 1859? Correct answer is A. Director General. But friends, it is not our syllabus. A confession which is otherwise relevant but has been obtained in consequences of a deception practiced on the accused for obtaining such confession. Correct answer is B. Is admissible in evidence. Surgeon who perform a complicated surgery on X with the consent of X knowing that it is likely to cause the death of X but intending in good faith to benefit X, would the case of death of X be protected by? Correct answer is D. None of the above. Friends, correct answer is section 88 of IPC. Correct answer is section 88 of IPC. Friends, next question and last question: what are the ways in which the credit of a witness may be impeached? Correct answer is D. All of the above. Friends, you can match with answer given below. Friends, if you want to success, then your strategy and honest work very clear. So friends, if you not watched my previous video, you can go my description and you link is there and you can watch previous video. So friends, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share. So friends, today I am stopped this video meet next video. Goodbye.